In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove or erase an object in Canva. If you want to clean up your design or get rid of something that doesn't fit, you're in the right place. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Canva project and select the image you want to work on. Make sure your design is open in the editor. If you're new to Canva, just click on the image. That'll bring up all the editing options above your workspace. Next, look for the toolbar that appears right above your canvas. In that toolbar, click Edit. This will open a new panel full of tools for adjusting your image. It's where you'll find options for brightness, contrast, and other tweaks. But today, we're focusing on one specific feature, the Magic Eraser. The Magic Eraser is part of Canva Pro, so if you're using the free version and don't see it, that's why. This feature works exactly like it sounds. It helps you remove unwanted objects from your photo with just a few strokes. Once you click on Magic Eraser, your cursor will turn into a brush. Now, hover over the area you want to remove, click and drag to highlight it. Canva will automatically detect the object and erase it smoothly while keeping the background consistent. Take your time with this step. The more precise you are, the better your final result will look. You can also zoom in on the image for finer control, especially if you're erasing small details or working with intricate backgrounds. This helps avoid accidentally removing parts of the image you want to keep. If you erase too much or don't like the outcome, you can always use undo or press Ctrl plus Z to go back and try again. Don't hesitate to experiment. Sometimes a second pass with smaller strokes can make your edits look much cleaner. When you're happy with your selection, click Erase to confirm. Within seconds, Canva will process the change, and the unwanted part of your image will disappear, leaving you with a clean, professional-looking result. And that's it. You've successfully removed an object using Canva's Magic Eraser tool. It's a simple but powerful feature that can help refine your design, remove distractions, or fix small mistakes without needing any external software. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using the Magic Eraser on different types of images, whether it's a product photo, a background for social media, or a personal project. You'll quickly get a feel for how the tool responds to different colors, textures, and shapes. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to remove objects in Canva. If you found it useful, feel free to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.